At Cardano, I look at it kind of like a DARPA project. So back in 2015, we said, where would we like the space to go over the next 5 years?
An enthusiast, Mark Cuban, has said that all Cardano holders will become rich in 2022.
Cardano Price Prediction. What is Cardano? Should you buy it? And when? Cardano is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. It's designed to be a next-generation evolution of the Ethereum idea, with a blockchain that's a flexible, sustainable, and scalable platform for running smart contracts, which will allow the development of a wide range of decentralized finance apps, new crypto tokens, games, and more. Cardano's goal is to be the most environmentally sustainable blockchain platform. As volatile as all cryptocurrencies are, yet they've created millionaires. Would you still spare some money and invest in them? Let us know in the comments section below. Today, we want to look at what Cardano is, its price prediction, and when and why you should buy it. Let's get it on! Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of Ethereum, began the development of Cardano in 2015 and launched the platform in 2017. Cardano has positioned itself as an alternative to Ethereum. Both platforms are used for similar applications such as smart contracts and aim to build a connected and decentralized system. Cardano considers itself an updated version of Ethereum and has anointed itself a third-generation platform over Ethereum's second-generation credentials. The blockchain platform also aims to provide banking services to the world's unbanked. Cardano's main applications are in identity management and traceability. The former application can be used to streamline and simplify processes that require the collection of data from multiple sources. The latter application can be used to track and audit a product's manufacturing processes, from provenance to finished goods, and potentially eliminate the market for counterfeit goods. ADA is Cardano's digital currency and is named after Ada Lovelace, a 19th century countess and English mathematician who's recognized as the first computer programmer. Cardano uses a unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros instead of the energy-intensive proof-of-work system currently used by Bitcoin and Ethereum. 3 organizations play a vital role in the Cardano ecosystem. The network is maintained by the nonprofit Cardano Foundation, which is responsible for its governance and advancement. Emergo is one of the founders of Cardano and is deemed the for-profit arm of the network, involved in driving its commercial adaptation. Blockchain infrastructure firm IOHK is the third partner, providing technology and engineering insights to the network. The concept behind DeFi is at heart the idea behind cryptocurrency itself. Many people across the world have access to a mobile phone, but do not have a bank account. And DeFi is designed to let them access financial services without having to go to a bank. DeFi also helps people send money internationally without having to pay commission, which makes transferring money across boundaries easier and cheaper. Cardano uses smart contracts to carry out transactions. These are computer programs that carry out agreements once particular conditions are met. ADA lets holders vote on proposals concerning the governance of the blockchain. They can also delegate their voting rights in return for rewards. As far as obtaining ADA goes, it can be bought and traded on a range of exchanges, and it's also issued to people who manage the blockchain, called MCore nodes. The coin is mined using an algorithm called Ouroboros, named after the mythical serpent that eats its own tail and uses the proof-of-stake method. That means that how much you can mine is tied to how many coins you hold, rather than the miner having to solve increasingly complex equations. Proof-of-stake is also more ecologically sound than the proof-of-work method because it uses less electricity. But what of the future? Before we can make an ADA coin price prediction, it makes sense to look at the ADA coin price history. While past performance is no indicator of future results, it helps provide context for how people are reacting to Cardano and ADA. When ADA launched in 2017, it traded at around the 2-cent mark for most of the year. This changed dramatically in early 2018. Cryptocurrency prices soared around this time, and ADA was no exception. It went from an intraday low of $0.3679 on December 28, 2017, to an intraday high of $1.33 on January 4th, a rise of more than 260% in less than a week. While those highs were ultimately unsustainable and the coin ended up settling back down somewhere around the 8-cent mark for the next couple of years, the ADA coin and the Cardano blockchain had, albeit briefly, made their mark on people who followed the crypto market. The ADA coin price changed significantly in early 2021. This was a time of substantial growth in the cryptocurrency market. which rewrote some of the people's ADA predictions. On January 1st, the coin opened at 0.1814. By January 16th, it had more than doubled to 0.3654. This was followed by some steady progression. Then, on February 5th, it leapt up, with ADA's intraday low of 0.4396 being followed by an intraday high of 0.5567 on the same day, notching up a rise of more than 25% in a matter of hours. ADA and Cardano did not stop there, though. On February 10th, the coin reached an intraday high of 0.9439, representing an almost 70% increase in the space of 5 days. By now, it seemed inevitable that the ADA coin price would break through the dollar barrier, which it did on February 20th, closing at $1.12. Although it retreated somewhat after hitting an intraday low of 0.9931 on March 13th, it spent most of the following month above the dollar mark. More growth followed, with ADA reaching $1.56 on April 14th. Again, though, the peak was followed by a trough, and it fell to an intraday low of 0.9352 on April 23rd before recovering to close at $1.16. It was after this blip that things became really encouraging for the cryptocurrency's followers. ADA closed at $1.55 on May 12th, but that was down from the day's intraday high of $1.82. 2 days later, it broke $2 for the first time and reached an all-time high of $2.46 on May 16th. However, storm clouds were on the horizon, and the great cryptocurrency crash of May 19th saw the value of ADA almost halve, going from an intraday high of $2.03 to an intraday low of $1.03. While there was some recovery, with it closing the day at $1.48, it looked as if the damage had been done, and the ADA coin price stayed below the $2 mark. That was until the start of September, when it reached an all-time high of $3.10 on September 2nd. The ADA price crashed following its Alonzo hard fork upgrade on September 12th. Cardano also suffered a 3% drop following China's announcement that declared all cryptocurrency transactions to be illegal. On October 5th, the ADA price stood at close to $2.20. The price stabilized around this point for the next week or so, but then started to deflate. It hit an intraday low of a little over $2.07 on October 12th, before rallying slightly to a little over $2.19 on the morning of October 14th, and advancing to $2.22 that evening. 5 days later, it dropped back to $2.10. On October 24th, the coin was trading for $2.17. On November 26th, the coin was trading at just $1.50. The dip was likely down to trading platform eToro delisting the coin, citing regulatory concerns. Over December, many altcoins suffered. However, by the middle of the month, projections looked increasingly optimistic. Cardano went live on Gemini-backed crypto payments network Flexa on December 17th, and Cardano users can now spend ADA at 40,000 US stores. Despite losing almost a quarter of its value in early December, the coin looked poised for a 40% upswing. So what can we expect from the future? What sort of Cardano price predictions can be made? What is the Cardano price prediction for 2021 and beyond? Let's take a look. Long-term coin price predictions are made using computer algorithms and should never be taken as an accurate forecast of the Cardano future price. Wallet Investor indicates a slow development for its Cardano coin price prediction. It forecasts the ADA coin price will hit $3.01 in a year's time and $10.46 in 5 years. CoinPrice forecasts ADA coin prediction for 2021 suggests closing out the year at $1.29 and says that the coin will hit $2 by the middle of 2024. The same site indicates that ADA will increase in the first half of 2022 to $1.38, and in the second half, the price would add 41 cents and close 2022 at $1.79. DigitalCoinPrice's Cardano prediction for 2021 states that the ADA coin price could be $2.08 for January 2022 and $2.17 in December 2022. December 2023 could see it go up to $2.64, then hit $2.76 a year later. In December 2025, the forecast price is $2.17, and 12 months from then, the ADA coin price could be $3.66. The site's ADA price prediction for December 2028 is $5.47. As of the 21st of December 2021, 34.17 billion ADA coins were in circulation out of a maximum supply of 45 billion. That's about 76%, according to CoinMarketCap. As to whether Cardano is a good investment, Well, the ADA coin might be, but equally it might not be. Always remember that cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile and that prices can go down as well as up. It would be best to always do your research and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Cardano recently announced partnerships with land restoration and tree planting verification company Veritree to secure its records on the Cardano blockchain, esports and gaming platform Rival to develop NFT marketplaces, fintech venture fund UBX for a public Cardano staking pool, and AidTech to provide technical guidance for its identity-based finance, payments, and insurance products. Having overtaken competitors such as Litecoin and Ripple XRP, Cardano is currently one of the emerging platforms in the world of crypto. But how much will Cardano be worth in 2022 and beyond? Is Cardano a good investment? And finally, can Cardano be a part of your portfolio? The answer to all of these questions is time will tell. With Cardano hitting a new all-time high, we have to wonder how well the cryptocurrency has performed. To be honest, it's mind-boggling. ADA has increased by approximately 1,400% to date. In terms of its growth, as a result, it's a top performer in the crypto world and one of the most important cryptocurrencies to examine. According to NASDAQ, over the month of September 2021, the cryptocurrency market saw considerable bullish momentum, with Cardano rising 126%, Bitcoin up 52%, and Ethereum's price per Ether token up 62%. Since these numbers will change as per the market trends, then it means if you want to choose any platform, the time is now. Predicting Cardano and the broader cryptocurrency market pricing movement requires a lot of guesswork, but there are some key catalysts for ADA on the horizon. The impending upgrade fork, which will pave the way for smart contract capabilities and other decentralized finance features, is particularly noteworthy. Do you think the progress seen in 2021 is enough to make Cardano a good network to invest in 2022? Let us know in the comments section below.